Come test drive the 2021 Infiniti Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of Infiniti's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, integrated turn signal mirrors, speed control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.